Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road, and welcome back to our shop. We're going to be showcasing some 4Runners that we're doing here at the shop, starting off with this silver TRD Off-Road 4Runner. This one right here is going with our Fox 2.5 Factory Race Series DSC setup. We're pairing up the Fox shocks with some Camburg tubular upper control arms. For the rear end, we're doing some old Man Emu medium load lift springs. When a 4Runner gets lifted, or any other truck for that matter, suspension angles do change. Without correcting it properly, you will have some negative effects. You can experience more body roll as your vehicle sways from side to side due to your increased Panhard bar angle. A 2-inch rear lift changes the angle about 4 degrees, and the axle gets pulled more towards the passenger side. An adjustable Panhard bar helps by centering your axle, but a Panhard correction kit like this one from Eimkeith will better help reduce the swing, as it is able to keep your Panhard bar more horizontal. The idea is to get your Panhard bar as parallel to your axle as possible after a lift, which increases the height of the roll center of your vehicle, which in turn gives you a more stable ride. This upgrade is often overlooked, but definitely should be considered if you're trying to improve the ride quality of your vehicle after a lift. We also installed a set of Method MR305s in a double black finish. This right here is a 17 by 8.5 size with a 0 offset that we wrapped in a 285/7017 BFGoodrich all-terrain KO2 tire. Our shop, 88 Rotors, is located in the city of Baldwin Park, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, please reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and getting to our contact form. Here at 88 Rotors, we are a stocking dealer for all major name brands suspension components. We stock Camburg Racing, King Shocks, Fox Suspension, Icon Vehicle Dynamics, Dobinson 4x4, iBox Suspension, Bilstein Shocks, Ironman 4x4, and many more. Next up, we have this Lunar rock colored 4Runner TRD Off-Road that we're installing a Bilstein 6112 setup on with 5160 rear shocks, doing some SPC ball joint upper control arms in the front end, and some Old Man Emu lift springs in the back. For the wheels and tires on this one, we're going with a set of Method MR305s in a 17 by 8.5 size with a 0 offset in a double black finish. Tire of choice on this one is going to be a BFGoodrich all-terrain KO2. With the new lift, wheels, and tires installed on the vehicle, we bring it down to the ground and torque all 4 wheels and tires down to spec. We're going to bring it out for a quick test drive next. We have another 4Runner in Lunar rock that's in for a Bilstein package. This one right here is going with what we like to call our best bang for the buck setup. It comes with the Bilstein 5100 shocks for front and back with Old Man Emu lift springs for both front and back, and SPC ball joint upper control arms to get everything back in line in terms of suspension geometry. We just did a lift on this 4th gen 4Runner here, and we're now installing a roof rack with a light bar. Back over to the Lunar Rock 4Runner. We're going to stage it up on the rack safely and remove all the 4 wheels and tires so we can jump in and tear down the factory suspension components. Here you can see the old Man Emu lift springs have been installed with the Bilstein 5100 rear shocks. For the wheels and tires on this one, we're going with the TRD Pro Style wheels in a 17x7 size with a +4 offset. We're wrapping it up in a 285/7017 Falcon Wild Peak AT3W. Over to the 4th Gen 4Runner, this is the Prinsu rack installed. We hope that you guys are enjoying this video so far, and if you did so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. Clicking the thumbs up button and giving us a like or subscribing now will not interfere with the video. If you guys are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We publish new videos on here quite frequently of other 4Runners and Toyota trucks, if that's what you're into. If you like what you see here and want to see more, make sure to follow us on Instagram. You can find us at 88 Rotors Offroad. The front wheels and tires are being mounted onto the vehicle now. Afterwards, we're going to bring it down to the ground, torque all 4 wheels and tires down to spec, and of course, bring it out for a test drive. The shocks are shot on this 4th Gen 4Runner here. So this one's in for just a shock replacement. We're throwing some Bilstein 5100s on here. And that's pretty much going to be a wrap for today's video. Thank you very much for tuning in, guys. Greatly appreciate it, as always. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted the next time we post another cool 4Runner video. Until then, take care, guys.